Hey, so if you want to join us on the journey to Australia to be a permanent resident under the Pacific Engagement Stream Visa 192, now you don't have to follow other websites, other Facebook page, any other places. You are just wasting your time. Turn your data into something productive and join us on this journey on how to apply for the Pacific Engagement Stream Visa 192. What steps are involved? There are basically two steps which we will explain in this video, and then we'll explain how to apply for jobs through the Pacific Engagement Visa information session, and there are people available to help you, as well as understanding how much is required for you to migrate to Australia, including the health checks and all those benefits that are available when you become a permanent resident of Australia. So basically, if you are on a phone or a laptop, stop looking at other websites now. So the first website you should be paying attention to in this next couple of months should be your IMI account or your immigration website. This should be the website that you should be paying attention to. And then you should also, after your ballot, you're selected in the ballot, then you should be paying attention to your Pacific Stream website, which basically covered everything on the Pacific Stream visa. They have their own website that is available. I will leave the link of the email account or immigration website in the link below, as well as the Pacific Engagement Stream visa on the link below for you to follow through. If you want us to help you on the Pacific Engagement visa ballot application, we are scheduling weekends for those that couldn't maneuver online with the email account online, so we can reach out and help you at that part of the process. Basically, there are two steps. Some of us has been asking, how do you go about applying for this Pacific Engagement Stream visa? So it's not a straightforward process for the first 1 month. Usually it opens around June first week to July second week. First week June to first week of July. So a period of 1 month, you have to apply online through the email account, your own email account. The ballot application is only $25, but with our consultation, we are charging an extra $25 or so to help you maneuver and get yourself uploaded, you and your dependent, onto the website. Now, as soon as that part of the process is done, we will go through with the ballot draw. So the draw will pick out who would be who is selected to go for the next step. Now, the next step, you have to do everything that is required of you to secure that 192 visa. So let's repeat that. In the ballot, you have to register all your dependents. As long as you're 18 to 45 years old, you have to register yourself and all your dependents. That's the first stage, which usually opens in June to July of every year. Then when the ballot is done, or when the selection is done around August, you will be asked to provide other requirements, which should proceed as step 2 for applying for the Pacific Engagement visa to come to Australia. Okay, so stick with us. We'll show you the two steps. The first step is registration, as we have shared. The second is the ballot. The first step is the registration. The second is compiling your documents. Now you have to have health checks for yourself as an adult in Papua New Guinea. They are registered health facilities, hospitals that you should go through, not any other hospitals that include SPEN, PIH, and so forth. Adult fees are around 1,300 kina. Children is below 1,000, close to 930, 950. It depends again on its facility. Okay, you have to do police clearance for yourself as the primary applicant, and also for your wife or for your spouse. Then There's a very important requirement here. You have to get a job offer in Australia. Police clearances, I've said, is an equivalent of the NDIS that is required in Australia for you to apply for jobs. And then you have to have a job offer. The job offer must be permanent. It must be permanent and must include every context that is traceable, and the company must be registered and as a business number in Australia. So everything would be found on your Pacific Engagement Visa, Pacific Stream Visa Facebook page, which is active at the moment. So you can go pull up all the information that you need on Pacific Engagement Visa and contact us if you want us to help you apply for the Pacific Enagement Visa online. Now we have some good news about PEV applicants who are currently in Australia, and we'll share that story in the link below for other aspiring PEV candidates who would like to join us on this journey to Australia. Once again, thank you for listening to this series of videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.